Hey folks, Jim Jacobus. Welcome to this week's Take 5. As we get started, may get tired of hearing this, but I'm going to make sure we share that constant message. One, you can do this like it's never been done before. I believe in you. I believe you can be the best of the best at what you do. But two, we've got to be willing to do the work. This week we're going to talk about belief systems. Belief systems are critical to you and I being successful at what we do. I work with a lot of type A personalities in our coaching program. I coach a lot of sales organizations, men and women at high levels. And one of the coaching programs that we do is what we call intervention coaching. That simply means this, that a client has identified that somebody that they value is struggling. Perhaps they've reached a certain level and can't make it to the next level. More often than not, though, they've been very productive in the past. And some reason they've fallen off. And if the client, the individual doesn't get things squared away, the client is probably going to wind up dismissing them from their job, or we hate to use the word fire, but offer them an opportunity to seek employment elsewhere. And so they call us in, particularly the work that I do, to see if we can't get that individual turned around. Now, they typically call us in because there are some symptoms that says that the individual is not performing at the level that they should. The productivity's not there, the sales are not there. Something's wrong on the symptom area. First thing I tell you is we don't come in and start working on symptoms, all right? What I want to attack is what core belief the individual has that eventually creates a system. Because think about it this way. We have beliefs. Beliefs create thoughts. Thoughts create actions. Actions create habits. Habits create character. Character creates legacy. That's the process. Again, belief, thought, habit, action, character, legacy. That's the process. So the bottom line there, the habit or the character, the output, when it's negative, is the byproduct of a problem at the belief system level. So we'll talk an awful lot during Take 5s about belief systems. All right, what is it we believe that causes us to perform at a high level? I believe we're all created extraordinary. You've heard that before. I believe you're created extraordinary. If you don't believe that about yourself, it doesn't matter what I believe. I believe that I can be as successful as I choose to be, but I've got to do the work. If we don't think the work's important, that belief system can cause us an awful lot of problems as well. If you believe it's all about work, but somewhere we don't have the core belief we're extraordinary, then all the work won't matter. So it's all about belief systems at the very beginning. So the belief creates high performance, and the belief creates a shortage of performance, or low performance, if you will. Beliefs create integrity and character. A lack of belief in the importance of that creates no integrity and no character. So we're going to talk an awful lot about belief systems. So here's what I want you to do this week. I'm going to challenge you to write down 2 different beliefs this week. One is a belief that serves you and allows you to be successful. And it doesn't necessarily have to be in sales or sales management. It doesn't even have to be at work. It may just be a personal belief system. You may believe that family is critical, and during the important times of the year, you're always with your family, and you love that part about your life. Whatever that belief system is, I want you to write it down, and we'll talk about how to leverage that belief system to enjoy it even more. The second belief I want you to write down, though, is I want you to write down some belief system that perhaps is not allowing you to achieve what you could achieve if that belief system was different. Perhaps you don't believe you're worthy of being the best of the best, or perhaps you don't believe that you could ever own a $500,000 home or $1 million home, whatever that belief system happens to be. Perhaps you don't believe that clients are honest. I happen to think they are. Whatever that belief system that is limiting to you, I want you to write that down, and we're going to attack that too. Those are your challenges for this week. Thanks for joining me on this week's Take 5.